Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, something's just off? Your skin looks dull. Your energy is crashing. Your digestion feels slow, heavy, even bloated. But here's the thing. These little off signals might not just be aging or bad sleep. They could be your liver quietly screaming for help, without saying a word. Today, you'll discover the 7 most overlooked, silent signs that your liver might be in trouble, and more importantly, how to reverse the damage naturally, starting today. Stay with me to the end. Sign number 6 is one most people ignore, but it could be the earliest clue to liver damage. Let's dive in. 1. Constant fatigue that doesn't go away. You sleep. You rest. But still, you wake up tired, foggy, and sluggish. Why? The liver is your body's main filtration system. When it's overloaded or inflamed, it can't efficiently remove toxins, and those toxins start building up in your blood. That buildup slows down your entire metabolism, including how oxygen moves through your body. The result? Cellular level exhaustion. Even if you slept 8 hours. And here's the worst part, most doctors miss it because your blood work looks normal. What helps? Add beets, dandelion tea, and milk thistle to your diet. Drink warm lemon water every morning to jumpstart liver detox. Cut back on processed foods and sugars that overwork the liver. 2. Yellowish skin or eyes, even slightly. If you've ever noticed a yellow tinge in your skin, especially around the eyes or fingertips, it could be early-stage jaundice. Jaundice happens when bilirubin, a yellow pigment from breaking down red blood cells, builds up in your blood instead of being filtered out by the liver. It's subtle at first. A little darkness under the eyes. A yellow hue in bathroom lighting. But it's a red flag for poor liver filtration. What helps? Eat foods rich in glutathione like spinach, asparagus, and avocado. Supplement with N-acetylcysteine, NAC, to support liver detox enzymes. Avoid acetaminophen, paracetamol, unless medically necessary, it stresses the liver. 3. Right-side abdominal discomfort or bloating. Ever get bloated right under your right ribcage? Or feel a tightness or dull ache there? That's exactly where your liver sits. When the liver becomes inflamed or fatty, it pushes against surrounding tissue, causing a sense of fullness or pressure, especially after eating fatty meals. In some cases, fluid may also collect in the abdomen, leading to visible swelling. What helps? Cut down on seed oils like canola, corn, and soybean oil. These increase liver fat. Add turmeric, which contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory for the liver. Drink peppermint tea. It helps bile flow and soothes liver-related indigestion. 4. Strange itching, especially at night. Do you find yourself scratching your arms, legs, or back, and there's no rash or bite to explain it? This could be due to a buildup of bile acids in the bloodstream. When the liver can't filter bile properly, it starts leaking into the skin, causing intense itching, especially at night when circulation slows. Some women mistake it for dry skin. Some think it's allergies. But in reality, it's your liver asking for relief. What helps? Drink more filtered water to flush excess bile. Add chia seeds and flax seeds, they bind and carry out excess bile acids. Consider a castor oil pack on your liver area, an old remedy that reduces inflammation and boosts bile movement. 5. Dark, foamy, or orange-tinted urine. If your urine is unusually dark, looks orange, or smells stronger than normal, even if you're hydrated, it could be from bilirubin buildup. Again, this points to impaired liver processing of waste. Some women even notice foamy urine, which may indicate excess protein, another sign of liver overload. What helps? Add cilantro, parsley, and garlic to your meals, natural detoxifiers. Replace sugary drinks with cucumber or lemon-infused water. Limit alcohol, even moderate amounts can slow liver healing. 6. Bad breath or a coated tongue. Surprisingly, your mouth is one of the first places to show signs of liver distress. A coated tongue, especially with a yellow or white layer, may indicate liver-related toxin buildup in the gut. Bad breath that doesn't go away, even with brushing, can signal ammonia buildup, which happens when the liver can't fully process proteins. This is one of the earliest warning signs. Many people miss it. But your body is whispering, before it starts shouting. What helps? Rinse with salt water and baking soda to balance oral bacteria. Take digestive bitters before meals to boost liver enzyme activity. Include fermented foods like kimchi, kefir, and sauerkraut to help detox the gut-liver axis. 7. Hormonal imbalances, especially estrogen dominance. Did you know your liver plays a central role in hormone balance, especially for women? If your liver is sluggish, it can't clear out excess estrogen, leading to symptoms like weight gain around the hips and thighs, mood swings, heavy or irregular periods, tender breasts, low libido. This is often misdiagnosed as a hormonal issue, but in truth, the root cause may be the liver. What helps? Increase fiber from vegetables to bind and excrete excess estrogen. Add broccoli sprouts, they contain sulforaphane, which boosts liver estrogen detox. Use liver-supporting herbs like burdock root, dandelion, and artichoke extract. Can you heal your liver naturally? Absolutely. The liver is the only organ that can fully regenerate itself, even after damage. But it needs your help. The sooner you start removing toxins, reducing inflammation, and feeding your liver what it needs, the faster you'll feel energized, clear-headed, lighter in your digestion, and more balanced, hormonally and emotionally. So ask yourself, are you ignoring any of these silent signs? If even one of them sounds familiar, it's time to take action, not with expensive cleanses or extreme detoxes, but with daily, gentle habits that nourish your liver back to health. Which of these signs surprised you the most? And which of these remedies are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, share it with a friend, because so many women suffer silently, without ever realizing it's their liver behind the scenes. Make sure to subscribe for more simple, science-backed videos on how to take control of your health, naturally. Stay empowered. Stay informed. And take care of your liver, it's working 24/7 to take care of you.